How to create password on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app. After opening REDnote app, simply log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Settings, which is located on bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Settings, then go to Account Security, which is the first option. In here, you'll find Password below Mobile. To set your password, you need to bind mobile number first, and you will be able to log in through mobile number and password. To create password, simply click on Bind and bind your mobile number, then you're good to go. That's how to create password on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.